Welcome to Learn AI Simply, where we break down AI and find real answers. Today's episode, what is machine learning? Let's go. What is machine learning? Let's break it down. Machine and learning. Machine means a computer, robot, or software that follows instructions. Learning means improving performance through experience or practice. So, machine learning means teaching a computer to improve at a task by learning from data instead of programming every single rule. For instance, instead of saying if an email contains the word urgent, mark it as important, we show the machine 1,000 emails, some marked important, some not, and let it figure out the patterns. It learns what important typically looks like. Why is it so popular? We used to program computers with rules. Now we teach them with examples. That shift changed everything because real-world problems rarely follow clear rules. With machine learning, computers find patterns on their own to solve complex, messy problems. What does machine learning look like in real life? Social media suggestions, fraud detection in banks, crop yield prediction, and disease identification. Roots of machine learning. Machine learning didn't appear out of nowhere. It was built from several fields. Mathematics to find patterns and optimize outcomes, computer science to build efficient algorithms, statistics to understand uncertainty and data trends, neuroscience to understand how humans learn. Machine learning is one part of a bigger field called artificial intelligence. It's like a key player on a superhero team. Other members include robotics, natural language processing, and computer vision. Types of machine learning. There are 3 types based on how much guidance we give: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning. We give the machine both the questions and the correct answers. We can say, here are 100 labeled photos, some cats, some dogs. Learn the difference. Later, the machine can look at a new photo and say, that's a dog. Unsupervised learning. We only give the data, no labels. The machine groups similar things together. It doesn't know what an apple or a banana is, but it notices that some fruits look similar and groups them together. Reinforcement learning. The machine learns by trial and error, just like humans do in games. It gets rewarded for good decisions and learns from its mistakes when it loses. Over time, it figures out the best strategy. This is how many AI systems master games like chess. How do you actually do machine learning? You don't need a supercomputer to get started. Here's what you really need: some data like numbers, text, or images, and a programming language like Python, machine learning toolkits, and coding software or online platform. Let's look at a simple example without any code. Let's say you want the computer to predict cookie prices based on size. You give it examples like 100 grams 50 rupees, 200 grams 100 rupees, 300 grams 150 rupees. You never told it to multiply by half. It learns the pattern from the data. So when you ask, what about 250 grams? It responds, probably around 125 rupees. That's machine learning, recognizing patterns and making smart predictions. Machine learning is not magic, and it's not just for tech geniuses. It's a hands-on, creative way to solve problems using data. And that's it for today's video. In the next episode, we are going to build a real machine learning model with all the coding. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.